Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Pollo AI account. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we want to do is head on over to Pollo AI. Now once you're here, you want to make sure to log in. As you can see, I am logged in. Now, Pollo AI has made it hard or difficult to delete your account. There's no such way, there's no button to do it here. So what we need to do is click on the Contact Us button. So we need to contact the customer support team to help delete my or your account. And now, if you're like me and you click onto, hover over your profile, click on Contact Us, nothing appears. So what we can do is scroll down to the bottom of the page where it says company. Let's go down under company, they got contact. So go ahead and click on the Contact Us button here. So it's support at Pollo.ai. So from here we can just copy email address, and now I'm going to open up my Gmail and then send them email. So I'm going to compose a new email to support, and then subject say delete account request, and then just in the text field here just say something along the lines of, so write something that says along the lines, I hope this email finds you well. I'd like to request the deletion on my account associated with tutorials 23, but put your email address in. Please remove all my personal data in accordance with your privacy policy. If any additional steps are required from my end, kindly let me know. I appreciate your prompt assistance with this matter. Thank you. Best regards. So just send that off and they'll get back to you within 24 to 48 hours to help delete your Pollo AI account.